Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us? Well, today I'm diving into how AI is revolutionizing farming in 2025. Spoiler alert, it's pretty incredible. First off, let's talk about precision agriculture. Imagine drones flying over vast fields equipped with multispectral cameras. These drones gather tons of data about crop health, soil conditions, and even pest activity. This info is sent to AI systems that analyze it and provide farmers with detailed insights. It's like having a super smart assistant who knows exactly what your crops need. Next up, we've got automated machinery. Picture this, tractors and harvesters that drive themselves. These machines are guided by AI and GPS technology, ensuring they operate with pinpoint accuracy. This not only boosts efficiency, but also reduces the margin for human error. Plus, it frees up farmers to focus on other important tasks. But wait, there's more. AI is also making waves in irrigation. Traditional irrigation systems often waste a lot of water. Enter AI-powered smart irrigation. These systems use data from weather forecasts, soil moisture sensors, and crop health to deliver the exact amount of water needed. No more, no less. The result? Healthier crops and a more sustainable use of water resources. Now let's talk about pest control. AI is helping farmers tackle pests in a super efficient way. Advanced algorithms can predict pest outbreaks before they happen by analyzing historical data and current conditions. Farmers get alerts so they can take preventive measures, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. It's a win for the crops and the environment. And finally, let's touch on the supply chain. From field to table, AI is optimizing the journey of our food. Machine learning algorithms predict demand patterns, ensuring that fresh produce reaches the market at the right time. This reduces waste and ensures that consumers get the freshest possible food. So there you have it. AI is not just a buzzword, it's transforming the way we grow, harvest, and consume food. The future of farming is here, and it's smarter and greener than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.